So my name is Peris Njenga, co-founder at Intersparkle Cleaners Movers. So basically, Intersparkle Cleaners, we are a cleaning company, and also we do moving services.
So we have been running since the year 2021. The major challenge is the HR part, dealing with staff. We will have staff who will not show up to work. Sometimes they'll just come late. We work in lounges, some will drink at work.
As you can tell, our job is very much labor intensive, and sometimes you find clients who have a very short turnaround time. They'll give you a contract to begin, say, in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks, and hiring, of course, skilled persons will take longer than that. We got to find out about BrighterMonday, and they have a partnership with the foundation, and we've been beneficiaries of the Gen-Kazi program. And here we are able to get skilled persons, people with great interpersonal skills, communication skills, which is very key for the roles that we put them through. Why? Because they'll be interacting with many clients.
In our organization, we have hired a person with disability through BrighterMonday, took him through training. It was a 2-3 days training. So he got to meet also the other staff members. We tried to explain and see how he can be incorporated to be part of the team. So the supervisor or the team leader would always work hand in hand with him so he can be able to at least understand our job description and what the expectations are. And the client was actually impressed, like we are able to bring in such a person. Not many organizations will find such a case.
So as Intersparkle Cleaners and Movers, we've been able to reduce costs largely in terms of hiring. We've been able to hire individuals, our staff, in a very short turnaround time. And of course, it reduces the burden of hiring. It can take so much time, it can take so much energy. So maybe a challenge any other organization out there who's having a similar challenge, reach out to BrighterMonday. You'll see the efficiency that it comes with.